Right, morning guys, we're here for day 2. Just leaving our villa and we can go find some food and maybe have a look at a few shops. Last night got a copped a wee wires top for $15. Ew. Just went and got a feed, got some drinks and some noodles for breakfast.
What's the time?
Yeah. Fuck. Right, we're going back out for another mish. Going to the beach, I think.
Beach, go.
Stop for a feed. Finished up the feeds. Now we're gonna hit the track, go buy go buy some shit. What you looking at there, Ryder? Is that one you?
Up to us? Up to us? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Kia ora. Kia ora? Kia ora.
Kia ora, bro.
Kia ora. Sure, say sure. Sure, bro.
Sure, bro. The brother taking us across the road to his other shop.
Is this your shop?
Bro's got 2. He's too good. Yeah. Yeah. No way he's actually got one.
to sell Bintang.
Shut up. Oh, Māori All Blacks. Oh, he's got heaps of buttons. Oh, nice.
What size? What size you want? The black one.
You'd be a medium probably.
Medium, yeah.
For him, for him. I've already got
Oh,
one.
for him. What size do you got?
Mine's large. Or each large. Oh.
Do you reckon that one's cool?
You could try it on. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Nah, I can get a cooler one though. Yeah, that's one I've got. Oh. What do you reckon?
My next helmet. Beat it. That's like an old bell helmet. Hey!
Good night. The middle. My mom from Australia, my dad from Bali.
On our way home from the shops, we got lost. Stopped at the dairy. We're pretty far of Bintangs. Now we're trying to find our way back. Our way back to the villa. So yeah, try it. This guy, eh? This guy. Bro thinks he's him. This guy. Huh? Go. We're at dinner now. I've got my food, my drink. The bro's still waiting. He finally got his drink though. What do you rate your food? What'd you get? A burger.
The next day.
KTM Bali racing team.
Right, so we just went to a jewelry store and then they gave us 3 bottles.
Got to make it fun though, because it's boring.
So he's gonna just go Joe Malo. Gonna get a Malo then go. I don't know where we're going now, but we're going somewhere. Hopefully.
Bro, that's pretty sad. That fish is massive in this tiny little thing.
Where is
That's
it?
a catfish.
It's over there somewhere.
That's like Raphael. It's got a red red bandana, bro.
On the way to a waterfall, this waterfall, we just walked down massive stairs. And we're gonna go for
Walk back up.
Yeah, we have to walk back up, and then we're gonna go for a swim in here. Yeah, look at these stairs are massive. Made it to the bottom of the waterfall. We're gonna go for a swim.
Yep.
Alright. Look how rough. Yeah, they've got their head under. It should be fine.
Pulling up to the ATVs. See, that doesn't sound good, bro.
Feel special.
At least this is smooth.
No heaven on earth if I can't be with you.
Oh, fuck this.
Seminyak, so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Telling me you feel fine. Never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, don't need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind.
Right, we're waiting for our bikes and we can go shopping.
Bike, oh, bike, I want to be a ride. It's where the fuck down here? Right, so we're at dinner. I don't even know where we are. Oh, Seminyak Square. We got Go Jets here, and we got a round of free bintang.
They gave us a card for free drink, so then we head up the store.
And then I got garlic pizza. What did you get? Chicken parmesan or something? No? What did you get? He's eating.
Carbonara.
What? What'd you get? Chicken bad buns. Try the bintang.
Wait, stop, wait.
Hey! Welcome to Bali! Oh, around the corner! We're in Kuta now, made it to the shopping mall. These fish are massive. We're gonna do some shopping, try and find Jimi Hendrix.
Hi guys, welcome to Jimmy fucking Hendrix, bloody fucking PC boy. What are you bloody fucking motherfucker? Fuck you bloody fucking PC boy. You
PC
are
boy.
PC boy, yeah?
Easy.
Oh, PC.
Yeah.
Sorry, dickhead. You fucking big donkey dick motherfucker. Fucking dumb fan.
Hey, Polo!
My love has got a mind, it's got a dream from desire.
Welcome to the world's best beach club.
I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes.